Okay, wait lang. Sinong gusto magkaroon ng iPhone 17 Pro Max for only 5,000 pesos? Yes guys, this is the Nubia V80 design. At first glance, I swear, akala ko iPhone 17 Pro Max eh. Pero nung narinig ko yung presyo, 5,299 for the 4 plus 256GB variant at 5,999 for the 8 plus 256 variant. Sabi ko, huy, budget Apple cellphone to ah. And yes, by the way guys, since si Kuya James nagagawa ng content na to, we're also giving away one Nubia V80 design later in this video, so watch until the end. So once again, this is James Afante, also known as Kuya James, and now James 3.0, and let's see kung worth it ba tong iPhone lookalike na to for only 5,000 pesos. Let's go! So let's be real guys, no? So yung main design neto, yung main reason kung bakit nagva-viral talaga si V80 design. Pero unbox muna natin siya and tignan natin guys kung anong laman, and then let's start pag-usapan natin kung ano meron dito. Tara, let's check it out. Actually no, pansin ko lang talaga lately si Nubia medyo talagang bumabalik sila sa game. And by the way guys, kung sakali hindi nyo pa alam, ang mother company po ng Nubia is Red Magic. So alam nyo naman yung Red Magic guys is basically one of the most hyped gaming phones ever since before. So eto na siya. Tignan mo natin sa box guys. So sinasabi dito, it has a 256GB of ROM, which is actually very impressive under 6,000 pesos. It has a 20GB of dynamic RAM, that's 8 plus 12, and it has a 50MP camera with 6.70 inches high-res display with 120Hz and 1000 nits of brightness, no? And it says it has a 1TB AI memory, which pag-usapan natin mamaya. Ang laman niya sa box ay meron siyang kasamang case na very familiar. I don't know kung like, ano ba to, iPhone 17 Pro Max or Xiaomi 17 Pro Max actually, like pagkakamalang ka talaga. So kung gusto mo talaga ng medyo pinagkakamalang ka talaga, feeling ko pwede itong cellphone to para sa'yo. And then it also comes with a USB-A to USB-C cable, a very interesting SIM ejector pin. I don't know kung nakikita nyo dito, but bilog siya for some reason. It has a adapter na medyo maliit yung size. But let's focus on the phone itself guys, since ito yung main highlight ng video na to. Okay, it's very interesting ah. Mukha nga talaga siyang iPhone 17 Pro Max. Sa unang tingin pa lang guys, the camera island, the finish, the flat edges, literal na iPhone 17 Pro Max yung vibes niya. Tapos may free pa siyang jelly case, so ready na siya gamitin if ever na gusto mo na siyang gamitin right outside the box. And honestly, for 5,000 pesos, it's one of the most premium looking phones in this current price range. So kung mahilig ka sa aesthetic pero ayaw mong gumastos ng 100,000 pesos, no? Ito na yung pwedeng pang flex na hindi nasasaktan ang wallet mo. So under the hood guys, meron tayong Unisoc P7 280 octa-core processor at 2.2 GHz paired with a 4 or 8GB of RAM plus 12GB of RAM, so total of 20GB RAM effectively, and an option of 128 and 256 storage. For a 5,000 phone, I think that's really actually wild. And karamihan guys sa presyong ganito guys, nasa 3 to 4GB na talagang RAM, but Nubia actually always gives us like extra, like even compared to dun sa V70 Max. Sobrang mura ng cellphone na yun, but in terms of specs-wise, in the spec sheet, in paper, talagang palagi silang lumalamang. You can use it actually for daily tasks. I can say Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, light gaming, smooth and snappy naman dahil optimized naman yung MyOS kung tawagin nila yung system nila. And this is actually where it gets funny and impressive at the same time guys. Meron din siyang tinatawag nating AI features, no? So inside the Nubia AI Hub, you get features like AI wallpaper generators. Isang idea lang, automatically isulat mo lang, i-prompt mo lang, magkaka-wallpaper ka na agad. Meron din siyang live translator and AI transcription. So perfect to whenever nag-travel ka sa ibang bansa. Let's say hindi ka marunong mag-Chinese, mag-Vietnamese, mag-Japanese, or in case na let's say meron kang meeting, pwede niyang i-record yun at ita-transcribe yun for you. And usually sa ibang mga gadget guys, ako naalala ko meron ako dating binili parang TicNote, 10,000 pesos na agad yung feature na yun. And having that feature in a 5,000 cellphone is just actually really crazy. It also has an AI memory and AI filter for smart organization and content recommendation. So technically, I can say no, and dinedeclare na rin natin na this Nubia phone is actually modern kasi may AI na rin siyang mga features. Not as advanced as the Gemini or Apple Intelligence guys dun sa mga 100,000 guys sa cellphone. Pero guys, 5,000 pesos lang to. So pwede nang pang flex na may iPhone yung cellphone ko, bro, ah. So, camera setup is actually simple, but I can say okay na siya for the price. The main lens delivers decent shots in good lighting, and the front camera is a center punch style, so modern actually na yung itsura niya. And hindi na siya pagkakamalan, guys, na murang cellphone. The display is a 6.8 inches Full HD panel, so to be exact, that's 1940 by 900 in resolution. It also has a, I can say, punchy colors, so good for Netflix na if ever na mahilig ka talaga manood ng mga Netflix, and I can say good na siya for scrolling or binge watching kung tawagin nila. Hindi ito OLED, no, pero for its price, I can say it's already sharp and responsive at the same time. So in this part naman, pag-usapan naman natin, guys, yung battery niya. Battery is around, so hindi ko pa na-confirm kasi actually shooting this video right now, hindi pa siya nalalaunch, no. So it has, actually, confirm ko na nga siya right now. Check natin sa settings. Wait lang.
A few moments later.
Wala siyang pinapakitang milliampere battery here, no? So, wala nga siyang information technically, guys, kung ilan yung milliampere ng battery niya. But definitely, I'm pretty sure in this thickness right now, definitely it's around 5,000 milliampere or maybe 6,000 milliampere. Kasi dun sa Nubia V70 Max nila, they're already giving us 6,000 milliampere of battery with standard charging yun. Daily use, I can say, for Facebook calls, music, YouTube, aabot naman to, I can say, the whole day, no? So, if you're looking for a simple but a modern looking phone na hindi ka iiwan katulad ng ginawa niya sa'yo, then the Nubia V80 design can be a good contender. So, again, guys, let's recap yung presyo ng cellphone na to. Again, like, tinan mo naman yung tsura, iPhone 17 Pro Max. Nagbuka pa actually siyang, Leica. Like, buka siya may Leica badge dito, pero wala tong purpose, guys, ha? Like, flash and design lang talaga to. So, 5,299 pesos for the 4 plus 256 and 5,999 for the 8 plus 256. But, bro, 256 GB of storage under 6,000 pesos. Literally crazy yun. Ako, marirecommend ko sa inyo, go for the 5,999 8 plus 256 version whenever if you're going to buy this specific phone. So, kung trip mo yung looks ng iPhone 17 Pro Max, pero again, ayaw mo gumastos ng matindi ang presyo, like 100,000 pesos, eto na, I can say, literally, yung budget iPhone 17 Pro Max na malakas yung loob, na ginaya talaga din yung design, na look-alike na legit na daily driver. So guys, let's go on the verdict on this phone, guys. For aesthetic buyers, guys, I can say approved to. For budget hunters, I can say approved na approved talaga. And for students and casual users, I can say super duper approved. It's not for the gamers or pro shooters na mahilig ka talaga sa camera or mahilig ka talaga sa high level na gaming. Pero again, guys, for 5,000, I can say 5,000 pesos flex phone na may AI features pa. Ang sarap na parang ipang mirror selfie nito, guys, na hi guys, iPhone 17 Pro Max to vibe. Parang ganun. So, I can say siya, no? Like, yung gimmick niya, sobrang budget fun and aesthetic win cellphone talaga tong V80 design. And syempre, ito na, guys, giveaway time. Alam ko namang ito yung pinaka-favorite nyo, guys, sa channel natin. Dahil every time, guys, gumagawa tayo, guys, ng tech review dito sa channel na to, pinapabigay natin, guys, yung cellphone o yung tablet o kung ano man yung nire-review natin sa channel na to. So, before we announce the giveaway mechanics of this one, i-announce ko muna, guys, yung giveaway winner, guys, ng last previous videos natin. So, we created a video about Redmi A5 and Redmi A3X. So, ilalabas ko yung winner, guys. Tig-isa yun, guys. So, kung kayo tong YouTube viewer na to, guys, sa channel natin, message our Facebook page, guys, to prove na kayo to claim your prize, guys. So, always ensure na Kuya James Afante with blue check mark yung message ninyo, guys, para mag-guaranteed na safe po kayo, guys. So, in this video, we're giving away one Nubia V80 design to one lucky subscriber. So, paano makakasali? Simple lang. I-like mo tong video na to. I-comment mo dyan below, guys, kung would you actually rock this 5,000 iPhone lookalike cellphone, yes or no, at bakit? And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell dahil i-announce natin, guys, yung winner ng cellphone na to sa ating mga susunod na videos. So always stay tuned, panoorin nyo, guys, ang video palagi ni Kuya James dito sa YouTube. And by the way, guys, kung sakali naghahanap kayo, guys, ng bagsak presyo ng cellphone na to, I will include na rin, guys, yung direct discount link ng V80 design, guys. Link in the description below, guys, para makabili ka na ng mura kung sakaling gusto mong bumili nito right now. Again, I can guarantee you that's the lowest price you can get right now out of the whole Philippines. Once again, this is James Afante, also known as Kuya James, and now James Filipino. See you on the next ones. Peace.